Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hussain, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. My dear students, most welcome to all of you. So, please let me know top line of the board, right side, left side, lighting and sound quality. Is everything okay? Can we start our class formally? So, dear students, in the comment section, you can give your attendance. Also, you can invite your friends to connect with us. Okay, dear students, sorry for Moji, everyone is okay. Okay, find the value of like this. Who can do this one? If x minus 1 by x equal to then x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to what? My dear students, who can do this one? If x minus 1 by x equal to, then x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to what? Is it possible to find the value? First question here, like we know a cube plus b cube formula is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. We know this formula. Another formula is a plus b whole square. So if we write here a coordinate form of a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square equal a minus b whole square plus 4ab. By using these two formula, you have to find the value here. So my dear students, please let me know who can do this one. Dear students, Irfan Majid, thank you sir. Thank you. Who can do this one? Dear student, the first we see here, if we write down the formula here, a cube plus b cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. That means a plus b. But our given information is x minus 1 by x. In this formula, you have to write x plus 1 by x whole cube. Like this one, x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3ab into x plus 1 by x. But the given information is minus here. So by using this information, you have to find the value of x plus 1 by x. So now we can start here. We know or given that, first we can write here, given that, we can write here, given that x minus 1 by x equal to, or squaring on the both side, x minus 1 by x whole square equal to square. The squaring on the both side. Now a minus b, that is the a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula is like a minus b whole square equal a plus b whole square minus 4ab. The coordinate form of a minus b whole square equal a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So this one will be x. We know the given that here, this will be x plus, given that minus equals to or directly we can write here. Okay, we can start this one. X minus, x plus 1 by x whole square, or you can write here, we know we know x plus 1 by x whole square equal x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4x multiply 1 by x. Okay, now put the value here. X minus 1 by x equal 2 square. Sorry, this is the 4, and now this one will be x divided by x. So this is now 4. 4 4 is the 8. So x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x equal 8. If we find the value here, like this one is x plus 1 by x, value will be plus minus root over 8. What is the value of root over 8? We can write here 8 equal 2 and 4 and 2 equals to 2. So we can write here like 2 multiply 2. Now root over 8 equal, we can write here 2 square. So taking here any root, then this is the 2. Like in the 2 pair, square root of the 2 pair, 2 square. So in time of square, we can write here, or like if we extension here, 2 square multiply 2. So eliminating square and root, there will be a free root without square, this and root again in the second one. So we can write here, this is the plus and minus 2 root over 2. This is the value of x. So now my dear student, this is now our value. Now by using this value, we have to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. So now we can write here. So first one, if we write here, given expression, this is the given expression equal x cube plus 1 by x cube equal x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 x multiply 1 by x plus 1 by x. Now there are two values. First we can apply here x plus 1 by x equal plus 2 root 2. This is the 2 root over 2 whole cube. This eliminating, this is the 3 multiply 2 root over 2. So just use here sign when x equal x plus 1 by x equal 2 root over 2. Just considering the positive. We see here positive and negative square converted here root over, then now plus minus. So just taking now first one as a positive. This answer will be 2 cube. 2 cube equal 8. 2 cube equal 8 and 2 root 2. This means 2 root 2 means root 2 cube. Root 2 cube equal root 2 multiply root over 2 multiply root over 2. That is the 2 root 2 square. Root 2 square multiply 2. This is the 2 root over 2. So root 2 cube equals to 2 root over 2. And this one is 3 to the 6 root over 2. And so this side note for this line, I think, okay, we can give the side note here when x plus 1 by x equal to root over 2. I think side note will be above line. Okay. Now this one is now 16 root over 2 minus 6 root over 2 equal 10 root over 2. This is our one answer. Now when the x plus 1 by x equal to root 2, x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 10 root over 2. So my dear students, when the value is, now the second information we can write here. So when x plus 1 by x equal minus 2 root over 2, then x cube plus 1 by x cube equal x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3x into 1 by x plus 1 by x. I think right side, yes, is okay. And now do calculate here. X plus 1 by x equal minus 2 root over 2 whole cube minus 2 root over 2 whole cube minus 3. This is the minus 2 root over 2. Now is the minus cube. Minus will be, this is the minus. So to 8 multiply 2 root over 2. Minus minus plus 6 root over 2. This is now 16 root 2 plus 6 root over 2. Now this is the minus 10 root over 2. So finally our answer is, we can write answer. Here the answer is, answer equals to 10 root over 2 or minus 10 root over 2. This is our answer. So dear students, please let me know, is it okay to you or not? Please let me know. I am invite you in these classes, but sorry for today lesson. Today lesson is 4.2. This is lesson related with exercise 4.2 math class 8. Math class 8. So dear students, today exercise 4.2 math class 8. Dear student, is it okay? So I think the first x plus 1 by x equal to 2, then x cube plus 1 by x cube will be 10 root over 2 minus 10 root over 2. So dear students, if you have any question about the assignment, please let me know. So dear students, we will discuss another math by using this condition. X plus 1 by x. So dear student, is it possible? বুঝান প্লিজ, স্যার আবার বুঝান প্লিজ। আল্লাহ, আমি তো তোমাদের অনেকেরই কমেন্টস গুলো দেখি নাই। ওকে স্যার, হ্যাঁ আই থিঙ্ক তোমরা অনেকেই কোশ্চেন করেছিলে আগের ম্যাথে, স্যার আবার একটু রিভিউ করেন। দেখো আমি সেম একটা কোশ্চেন এখানে আছে, আমি সেম আগের কোশ্চেনটা আবার একটু ডিসকাস করব। আই থিঙ্ক দেখো, দিস ইজ দ্য গিভেন ইনফরমেশন, given that which information is given here, x square minus root over 5x plus 1 equals to 0. Divide each term by the x. X square divided by x minus root over 5x divided by x plus 1 divided by x, 0 divided by x. Dividing by x, divide each term by x. So x square divided by x, this one will be x, this one will be minus, this one will be minus root over 5, this one will be 1 by x equals to 0. So now x plus 1 by x equal root over 5. So now apply the formula, apply here, and then put the value x plus 1 by x equal root over 5. Successively you will get the value x cube plus 1 by x cube. So now given expression here, given expression x cube plus 1 by x cube equal, this is now we can write here x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3x 1 by x, x plus 1 by x. Now putting the value here, this is the 5 root over 5 cube minus 3 into root over 5. So we can write here, this the value is 5 root over 5 is like as previous one minus 3 root over 5. So 5 root over 5 minus 3 root over 5, we can write here 2 root over 5, and this is our answer. Answer 2 root over 5. Okay, dear students, please let me know, is it okay to you or not? Please let me know. Might be any more question? Is it okay? Dear students, please let me know. My dear student, please do comments. Why student are so তোমাদের আসলে হয়তো আজকেই তোমাদের একাডেমিকভাবে তোমাদের আর ক্লাস হবে কি না সেটা নেক্সট উইকে তোমাদের অন্য কম্পিটিশন আছে। সো ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, একটু ট্রাই করো, আমাদের খুব বেশি দিন তার ক্লাস হচ্ছে না। সো প্লিজ লেট মি নো, ইজ দেয়ার এনি মোর কোশ্চেন? Now, okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Understood, Zarif. Yes, sir. Understood. Thank you. Okay, dear students, I think this is okay to you. If we write here the value, what will be answer? If we write here a cube plus b cube, as like as previous one. If I see this one, a cube minus b cube equals to what? So what will be answer here? If we write the second question, a cube, okay, x square minus root over 5x plus 1 equals to 0. Then x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to what? But if the requirement is minus, so now this is the value of plus. By using this value, you have to find the value of x minus 1 by x. Now start here as like as previous one. We know x minus 1 by x whole square equal x plus 1 by x whole square minus 4x 1 by x. Okay, now this is the root over 5 whole square minus 4. This is now 5 minus 4 equals to 1. So now if we write down the here, or x minus 1 by x whole square equals to 1, or x minus 1 by x equal root over 1, or x minus 1 by x equal plus minus 1. This square converted here as a plus minus 1. Now a cube plus b cube, when x minus 1 by x equal plus 1, x cube minus 1 by x cube equal x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3x into 1 by x into x minus 1 by x equal x minus 1 by x equal 1 cube plus 3 multiply with 1. This is 1 plus 3 equals to 4. This is our one answer. Again, when x equal minus 1, x cube minus 1 by x cube will be x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3x into 1 by x minus 1 by x. Now this value is minus 1 cube and then plus 3 multiply minus 1. This is the minus 1 and minus 3, it is the minus 4. So finally we can say here answer will be 4 and minus 4. This is our answer. So my dear students, if you have any question, please let me know. By using this two value, we have done this math. Please do comments. Is it okay? স্যার একটু আস্তে আস্তে করেন। থ্যাংক ইউ আসমা রহমান স্যার, একটু আস্তে আস্তে করেন। থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার। আমি আবার একটু ডিসকাস করব। প্লিজ নোট ডাউন দিস ম্যাথ ইন ইউর ক্লাস ওয়ার্ক কপি। মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, প্লিজ নোট ডাউন দিস ম্যাথ ইন ইউর ক্লাস ওয়ার্ক কপি। Please note down this one. Now, okay, any question? So dear student, please any more question? The first here x square minus 5x plus 1 equals to 0. Then find the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube. We know this is they have given information a cube minus b cube. So in times of a cube minus b cube, we see here a minus b whole cube. That means we have to find the value x minus 1 by x. Now from the given information successively we can find the value x plus 1 by x equal to root over 5. Now by using this plus value, we can find the value of negative 1. That means we know x minus 1 by x whole square equal x plus 1 by x whole square minus 4ab. That means by using this positive value, we can find the negative value, or using negative value, we can find the positive value. So now x minus 1 by x whole square value is 1. This is now again. So this square converted in the right side, this one will be plus minus root of r. So 1 root of r equals to 1, square root of 1 like square root of 1. This is the 1, 1. So from the 1 pair, we can make here 1. Now there are two values, the plus 1 and minus 1. So x plus 1 by x equal 1. X minus 1 by x equal to first positive 1, then negative 1. By using the plus 1, we will get here 4, and using the negative 1, we will get here minus 4. So these two value is our requirement. So dear students, I will discuss one more question. If x plus x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equal to, then x plus 1 by x equal what? Who can do this one? X plus 1 by x equals to what? And number 2, x cube plus 1 by x cube equals to what? So dear students, try to answer this question. X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the, no questions are understood. Thank you sir. Atma Akhtar, Nabi Mauli, clear. Waiting to done. Thank you sir. My dear students, please do this one. Please let me know if you have any question. This is the last math. So given that x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power, x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equals to 2. Or you can write here x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square equals to 2. A square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2 into x square into 1 by x square, a plus b whole square equals to 2. Eliminate them. This one will be a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2 ab. So now this is now x square plus 1 by x square equals to 2. This is the minus 2 and here is 2. So we can write here x square plus 1 by x square equals to, then 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Now we will apply the value here x plus 1 by x. So now again x square plus 1 by x whole square equals to 4. So now we can write down the formula here. So now write down the formula here, x square plus 1 by x square, x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2, x multiply 1 by x, a square plus b square, a plus whole square minus 12ab, and this is our 4. So now dear students, x plus 1 by x whole square equal, this is the minus 2 and this is the 4. or we can write here x plus 1 by x whole square equals 6, or x plus 1 by x equal to x plus 1 by x equal plus minus root over 6. This is our first answer. Now, as like as previous one, by using this value, you can find the value of a cube plus b cube. So, my dear student, now by using x plus 1 by x equal root over 6, you can find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. No questions, sir. Understood this one. Thank you. Okay, sir. Chamini Sarkar, no question. Thank you. Clear. No question. Yes, sir. Thank you. My dear students, who can do number 2? Using the previous maths, do this one. Or directly we can apply this value. Like now, number 2, x cube plus 1 by x cube equal x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 x into minus 3 x 1 by x into x plus 1 by x. This is now considering this positive value, this is the plus root over 6 whole cube minus 3 into root over 6. This is the 6 root over 6 minus 3 root over 6. This one will be 3 root over 6. Considering here plus value. Now you can write here when x plus 1 by x equals to plus root over 6. Now we can write the second value for the negative one, minus root over 6. So definitely this one will be minus. It's like its previous math. So dear students, if we write down the here formula again, when x plus 1 by x equal to minus root over 6, now x cube plus 1 by x cube equal x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 x 1 by x x plus 1 by x. This is now minus root over 6 whole cube 3 minus root over 6. This is minus 6 root over 6 plus 3 root over 6 equal minus 3 root over 6. So now we can say here answer is 3 root over 6 and minus 3 root over 6. 3 root over 6. So dear students, please let me know, is it okay or not? Dear students, please let me know, everything is okay? My dear student, please let me know. Allah Hafiz, my concentration is the same, don't worry sir. Sir, network is very good today. My network is very good today. Yes sir, thank you. Zari, Zarif, your answer is absolutely right. Thank you, sir. Okay, my dear students. So, dear students, if you have no questions, so we will close the class within a short time. So I think your last week assignment is also done, and I think the next week your general knowledge competition will be held. So, inshallah, if we can meet in the class again, so hopefully we will discuss these topics. So my dear students, wish you all the best. Hopefully see again with you in the next classes, and wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Don't forget to subscribe. Triangular Kamal.